Hey everyone, over 10 plus years of teaching, I've had way too many students get way too discouraged too quickly over something that we're working on because they feel like they're not performing well enough. They become much too hard on themselves and they feel like giving up. Well, if that's you, I want to encourage you today to give yourself some grace. Did you know that the same drum company can make the same exact set of drums twice, but they will not sound anything alike? The reason is that drums are made from trees and there are no two trees alike. And that could be just like you. You may share the same name as someone else, but guess what? There's only one you. God wonderfully made you an individual for a very specific reason. There are things that you are capable of that I will never be able to do. And there are things that I'm capable of that you'll never be able to do because we are each of us unique and God did that for a reason. You may not know what that reason is yet, but if you're curious, just ask Him. Who better to ask than the one who lovingly created you? So don't be so hard on yourself. Give yourself some grace, and please don't compare yourself with others. You'll never be them, and they can never be you because you are special. Peace and much love from the KungFu Kickdrum Dojo.